Hello, Math 24 students. Welcome to week 10. 2 more weeks until spring break. As usual, go ahead to the home page and scroll down to this week's button, or you can always go to the modules button in the navigation and get to week 10 from there. So this week's a usual week with quick quizzes and a shine quiz, discussion board, journal, Newton homework, and lecture video quizzes. So here are the 2 quick quizzes and the shine quiz, the discussion board and the journal. And then I want to talk a little bit about the homework. So the chain rule is the last rule that we use, one of the most challenging. So I made this the only homework assignment due on this day to try to give you plenty of time to work on it because it's really going to take some practice. And then on Friday, we start into exponential functions. These 2 assignments are algebra review. So then in the learning resources here, I have the course pack notes for section 11.7. So that's for the chain rule. And then you'll see I made 3 short videos to go with those course pack notes. And then I also made a page here with all of the videos without the quizzes so that you don't have to go find them on YouTube. Then there's course pack notes for 11.8, and the exponential and logarithmic algebra review is included in section 11.8. So I only have the first 2 videos with their quizzes due on Friday, but you'll see then the next part with the logarithms and the derivatives of the logarithms and everything combined, that's actually not going to be due until after spring break. So you're going to have kind of a little pause here with a bunch of algebra review and then the last bits of the calculus learning. And then we'll move on to chapter 12 that's using the calculus to do things with. Then all that's left after that is the mathematics of finance, which I think you'll find much less strenuous than the calculus sections. So that's what we have for this week. So I wanted to point out that only the first 2 lecture video quizzes are due on Friday. The other 3, you're welcome to watch them if you want to go ahead and complete your notes all at one time, but you can also spread it out if you like. It's going to be a lot of algebra review next week, and then you'll have spring break. And then we'll come back and be nearly done. So, hope you have a great week. Looks like we may be going to have some rain tonight on Sunday. Sorry I didn't get this published any earlier. If you didn't hear the last video, I've been on jury duty. I got to spend 40 hours of my life on a trial about domestic violence. So it was not fun and has made it really hard to keep up with my work. So I'm going to be a little behind. I promise I will get caught up during spring break also. And I'm doing my very best and hope you are too. And let me know how I can help you do that.